I'm Sarah Wicklin from urbanchef.se. Today I'm gonna make a light chicken stock. And the light chicken stock is so useful in so many recipes like risottos, noodle soups, or just hot sauces, anything like gravy. This is like a present to have in your fridge. Like when you have to do a quick dinner and you don't have that much time. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna cook this stock out of a ready cooked off carcass. And this is the best part. Use up whatever you have had the day before instead of just throwing it away. So this is the leftovers from my Sunday roast. It was delicious, by the way. So I cleaned off, or we cleaned it off because we ate it all. What we didn't eat though was these fatty bits of the skin and the wing tips. I'm not going to use them because they contain too much fat, and you don't want too much fat in your broth because that's going to make it harder to use. I mean, when you have a light stock, try to use your own flavor. So that means use the fat that you would like to use after. Add it after. So for example, this is part of the leg. Just take off the fatty skin bit. Just heating up my pan. To get some flavor, I'm gonna add an onion, some stock from the parsley, the leaves I picked off and used it for other stuff. Carrot, a little bit of rosemary, bay leaf, and garlic. When you start hearing the sizzling sound, make some room. There we go. Water from the kettle. What I'm doing here is I barely cover the carcass because I want my stock to be ready in 40 minutes. So I don't want too much liquid in there. So this has been simmering now for 40 minutes, and all the beautiful flavor and all the smell has come out from that little chicken dinner from last night. I'm gonna prepare my little mise en place here. So I got this to strain into, and this sieve fits perfectly. I'm gonna line the sieve with some kitchen roll, and this is ordinary kitchen roll. And the reason why I'm just using that and not a cheesecloth is because I have this at home all the time. It's so easy to use, and it will take all those little parts, all the cloudiness out of this stock. So to make it easier, before I pass it into the sieve, I'm just gonna lift off those bigger bits. So here I've done a bit of preparation. I'm gonna make this stock into a noodle soup, and an Asian flavored noodle soup for me. It's got some ginger in it, so just some sliced ginger, some lime leaf, a chili, and this is a dried chili. This might be a little bit too hot actually, I'm just going to take half of that. Star anise, it's so beautiful and it's so Asian, the taste. Some garlic and some finely chopped lemongrass. So this will infuse my stock. All those Asian spices to infuse this broth. This is going to be perfect for my noodle soup for two. And I know exactly how much it is. And it's like a present in my fridge for my weekday dinners.